Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing glossybox. So I used to get Birchbox, but then I just thought I'd try something new. I think this is the December special, so it's come in this really cute packaging. I'm going to take a look to see what's inside. Sorry for the noise. So yeah, it really is Christmas special. They've wrapped it up really cute. Oh, it's like opening a present for yourself. Okay, so we'll see what we've got inside today. So we've got some Golden Gatsby 3D faux mink lashes. These look really nice, I can't wait to try them. And then we've got some mascara. This looks like it's from Catrice Cosmetics. So that's good because I was actually running out of mascara. And then my friend recommended me to get the, I can't remember what it's called, the Bang mascara, I think it's called, from Benefit, I think. But I'll try that first. And then it looks like we've got some liquid eyeshadow. I don't know how to pronounce this name, so I'm not going to try. Let's see what colour it is. Oh, shimmery. Oh, that's really nice. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the light. That's the colour. Obviously you can see it from here. But yeah, that looks really pretty. Nice and Christmassy. And then, I don't know what this is. Loose powder. What am I going to do with loose powder? Loose powder pigment. From Steve Laurent. That's what I'm going to do with loose powder. Oh, look at this cute packaging. So I would have tested it, but it's closed, and I don't want to make a fool of myself trying to open this because I've got nails on. Problem with having fake nails. So be right back. And we're back. So I managed to open it up. I realized there was a sticky film on there and I didn't need to open up the whole plastic thing, which I've done before. So let's give this a try. Oh, pretty. I suppose you could even use it like as a highlighter. So that's really cute. Happy with that. And the last thing that's in the box is some good old original sauce shower gel. Now this is sweet rhubarb and raspberry, so yes, it smells delicious. So that is what we have got in my glossy box today. I'm quite happy with that. So we've got this eye shimmer, the loose pigment, the mascara, and the lashes. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that, with this Christmas special. That's quite cute. Yeah, apparently in January we're gonna get a strawberry booster. So once I get my box, I shall do a review on that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit subscribe and like and comment. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I just realised once I obviously edited the video, I looked in the mirror and actually saw I didn't obviously video the eyeshadow very well. But if you can see, it's actually very pretty. Quite happy with that. Now I don't have the best light, but that shimmer is absolutely great. Like, it's so nice. So I thought I would add this in. So if you can see, I'm in my room. When I flip back, I'm going to be back in the bathroom. But yeah, very pretty.